Hi, heard you. Today we're going to draw a very nice drawing of a basketball player who is scoring and flying on top. Let's draw from the top, and first we are going to draw the outlines, then we're going to do the details. All right, you can see the outlines is going on here. Okay, and the ball we're drawing right now. All right. So the details you can see here. So usually you just draw the outlines of the shoe and the other parts, then you're going to do the details. Alright, few wrinkles you can see along the clothings, and here's a ring. You can see the ring and the net. Alright, and let's put the ground below because he's jumping on the ground. Okay, let's put a color on the shirt or the jersey he is wearing. Deep dark color, and also putting a lighter color on the body. And for the pants, let's put the purple color. You can see the colors of the pants looking great. Okay, putting the deep color along the border sides. Also the socks have the pink colors combinations, and the shoes have a purple color combinations. All right. Okay, so for the head, let's put the shades with the monochromic colors with the pencils. Okay, let's put the orange color for the body, making a shade variations. You can see the boards and the rings here, which is blue color. The net, it's a blue net. And for the basketball, by putting the dark red color along the border. Alright, so it looks really nice. The boys jumping to do the basket, and it's a nice drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. And also you can browse through the playlist to select the drawings in different categories. We have lots of drawings there, such as we have the figure drawing. So this clear drawing is going to be the figure drawing section. We also have scenery drawing, the fruits drawing, flags drawing, lots of fishes, vegetables, so many items. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel and enjoy the drawings. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.